Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Monaco. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Monaco, a sovereign city-state country and microstate on the French Riviera in Western Europe, is primarily driven by banking, insurance, small-scale industrial and consumer products, as well as tourism. The state has no income tax and low business taxes, thrives as a tax haven for both residents and foreign companies that have established businesses. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Monaco and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we will be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Monaco. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC, focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs. A selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of United States-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, Micro, Basic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account, with access to a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional educational trading knowledge with Expert Option. At number 4 on our list is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, as well as IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint and family accounts, to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with interactive brokers. Coming in at number 3, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Monaco, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert and advanced courses in financial trading that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Monaco on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.